how to convert Figma design to WordPress Elementor here. So what we want to do is we want to go to Google and search for Figma to Elementor, and we want to get this plugin. So Figma to Elementor, it's gonna pop up right here in the second slot most likely. So just click on it and it's going to look like this. So what we want to do is we want to click on open in and choose the design or the location of your Figma design. I will do Figma basics here. Now this is going to load up a new page which will explain how this works. So this is going to be the plugin itself. So Figma plugin to easily convert Figma design into Elementor widgets. So the JSON data generated from this plugin can be directly pasted into the Elementor editor. Right click on the Elementor editor, paste from other side, Ctrl+V. Now if we click on run here, what this is going to do is it's going to load up a new page where we'll have to paste our website URL for Elementor. So we can click on edit with Elementor here, and we'll just copy our website's URL. If we don't know it, I'll just click on the icon here, and then we'll copy our URL, and we want to paste our website URL. Now we will also need to paste the login name of our WordPress admin. We can get that by going to WordPress dashboard. It's going to be here or here. It's going to be here actually in the top right. And then the last thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to add the application password. And after we type out this information here, connect Elementor website, we'll be able to select this convert to Elementor. Now this is going to generate the code for us, the JSON code for us, and we can import this onto our Elementor website like it was written in the description. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.